Hi everyone! Thanks for coming back to 2K's Learn to Paint. I'm going to try to do a Shelly Art Bloom. This will be my third try, but I'm still continuing. I'm still trying to learn, so that's all you have to keep doing. You have to just keep trekking on, even when you get it wrong. I have two really good paintings from the two before, but they definitely did not look like a Shelly Art Bloom. So I decided to try to do another. I tried one more time today. Just going to try one more time. Oh no, get out of there, get out of there. Goodness. You have to use quite a bit of paint. It does seem like a little bit of a waste, but it's just part of the bloom. I think I see something else in there. That paint is a little... Oh my goodness. Wow, that was bad. Okay. Alright, so now that I have my untinted... No, I have my house paint down that is semi-gloss and it's white. So then I'm going to put, let's see, usually the one that you put very last is the one that stands out the most, and I really love the purple. So we'll see. Okay, we'll see, yeah. You try to make sure that the paint does not sink in, because you want it to lay on top of that white pillow paint. I'm going to try to do it in a different direction on my next one. I have had a lot of fun doing this though, but because it was something that I had not tried, this is important. This has to stay on top. And then you have to do one very large blow and hope that you don't get paint everywhere, which you do, but you have to get that's the cell activator that I just put on. I'm going to blow it and see if I can't get that to just go through the rest of this. Oh, I wish it would have gone over here. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, my other ones were they were bad. Compared to, don't drop it. Oh my Lord have mercy. Alright, so I'm going to do opposite corners from each other. I don't want to lose my cells. Doing opposite corners. Let's go. You always go back to the middle. And then the next corner. Oh my gosh, this was so worth the wait. Absolutely worth the wait. Once it goes over, you let it sit there a minute. Boy, am I glad I remembered to wear gloves today. Okay, now I'm headed back over to this other corner. Okay, now I'm going to try to go back to the middle. I'm debating. I don't want to mess this up because it looks really good. Just trying to loosen up some of those cells. Oh my goodness. There, that's such dainty lacing. I really like it. Oh my goodness, I'm so embarrassed of the other two now. Okay, let me try this one. Let's see if that was a fluke. Alright, we did gold on the bottom before, so let's do, I think we did gold on the bottom. No, we did pink on the bottom. So I'm going to do gold on the bottom. Sit on top. Try to get a little bit more in here. Guess it would help if I didn't stick my finger of white paint into it while I'm trying to work with it. Okay. I'll put purple down. See, it did stay up on the top. I like that. Which I was doing that this time, but I'm not. It's okay. Gotta change it up. My favorite colors are usually pink and purple, so. But I end up doing a lot of blues, so I am very proud of myself. I didn't do any blues today. Come on, off my spoon or stick. Thank you. I only made a little bit up because I didn't want it sitting around if I didn't use it for this right here today. I always want to put more color, always. It's okay. I know a lot of the really big names kind of do their own thing as well, like they perfect it to them. I gotta be really soft with this one. Okay, I don't want too much white, but I definitely want to make sure to have enough cell activator. Okay, let's try one more. Oh my goodness. I was so upset after the other two that I did not do them correctly that I told Candy, I said, I'm very discouraged. I'm having a hard day and I'm very discouraged. I said, I've not done this technique and everybody says how hard it is and I just want to try. So she said her suggestion was to do not use the same paints that I had before and do everything over. She said start fresh. And look what happened. She's so smart. She'll love that when she hears that I said that. Okay, one last corner. And I don't want to ruin it. I want to get back to the middle though first. I feel like I'm sticking my fingers in it, but I'm afraid to drop it. Come on. One last corner. Don't mess with me now. Okay. We got it. We got it. Absolutely no silicone was used in this. Absolutely none. I followed the recipe from Shelly Art for her pouring medium and cell activator. And dang it if she's not right. Look. So pretty. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy. Okay. All right. Well, that's it for me. Oh man, I just tore a hole in my glove. Next up is Candy. She's going to be doing a bloom in whatever style she wants to do it. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video today. Hit the subscribe button. We're a growing channel. We're trying so hard to get the stats up so that we can get people watching. It's YouTube, you know, you have to... The more people that watch, the more times they'll show our channel to other people. But if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments, or if you have anything to say nicely in the comments, we'll be happy to comment back. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. See you next time.
Hi everyone, it's Candy. Welcome to hot South Florida. It's been crazy hot here. So today I'm doing a bloom, the Shelly Art. And what I've done already is I have my little tile. I put a puddle of house paint in the middle. And I'm going to layer my colors. This paint is a lot thicker. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's really thick. So pretty. Makes the most beautiful blooms. If you haven't taken her course, you need to look into that. I took her course. I learned so much from her. Unfortunately, she's in Australia and I'm in the U.S. And we can't get Australian Floetrol here. I mean, you can. It's expensive. It comes in a little tiny bottle. So I just didn't think it was worth it to do it. So I have been watching Kanella, Ciraco. I watched her tutorial on how to do the bloom, and it works perfect for me. I can get all of the ingredients here in the U.S. I've had no problems getting the blooms to work at all. Okay, so I have my paint colors down. And now what I'm going to put on is the cell activator. And this is what makes the beautiful cells and the lacing, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So let's do that. Alright, so I've got that down. And I am just going to go over my tile with the white, get the sides. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to blow directly into the white and then blow out. So hopefully this will work, and I'm sorry if my head gets in the way. Alright, look at that. Look at the cells. So beautiful. And again, I use the same recipe that Kanella does. You can look on YouTube and just look up Kanella Ciraco bloom technique. And then I just tilt it to cover the sides. You don't have to cover the sides. You can leave that negative white, which I do quite often, actually. I just like the way that it looks. See that? All right. Let me put that in. All right, I'll put that one over there, and I'll show you one that I've already done. It's still wet. But beautiful lacing. And works every time for me. I have heard some people say that they haven't had any luck with this, doing it this way. I'm not sure why, if it's a temperature issue or something like that. But again, I live in South Florida. I don't have any problems with it every time I use her technique, her recipe. So there you go. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so when we're doing our videos, you get every one. And we are glad, Carrie and I are glad that you're on this journey with us. So we shall see you soon.